Hello my people, today we are going to learn vocabulary. Are you ready? Let's start. Finish, kurangiza. We finish our work on time. Turangiriza akazi ku gihe. Stop, guhagarara. He stops at the red light. Yahagaze ku itara ry'umutuku. Go, kugenda. They go to school together. Bajya ku ishuri hamwe. Come, kuza. She comes home after school. Aza mu rugo nyuma y'ishuri. Start, gutangira. She start her day early. Atangira umunsi kare. Park, guparika. They park the car outside. Baparitse imodoka hanze. Drive, gutwara. I drive to the store. Ntwaye ngiye ku isoko. Eat, kurya. She eats tasty apple. Ari kurya pome iryoshye. Bake, guteka ku ifuru. We bake cookie for the whole day. Dutetse biscuit ku munsi mukuru. Plant, ibimera. He plants flower in the garden. Yahinze indabyo muri jaride. Water, kuhira. She waters the plants daily. Yuhira ibimera buri munsi. Pick, gufata. He picks apples for the tree. Yafashe pome iri ku giti. Cook, guteka. She cooks delicious meal. Yatetse amafunguro aryoshye. Help, gufasha. They help their neighbors. Bafasha abaturanyi. Teach, kwigisha. I teach math to kids. Nigisha imibare abana. Learn, kwiga. She learn new thing every day. Yiga ibintu bishya buri munsi. Explore, they explore new place on vacation. Batembereye ahantu hashya mu biruhuko. Build, kubaka. She like to build with block. Akunda kubaka block. Draw, gushushanya. She draw pictures of animals. Ashushanya amafoto y'inyamaswa. Learn, kwiga. Climb, kurira. He can climb that tree. Ashobora kurira kiriya giti. Swim, koga. I swim in the pool in the summer. Nkunda koga muri pisine mu cyi. Hike, kurira imisozi. We hike in the mountain. Kurira imisozi. Ride, gutwara igare cyangwa moto. We ride bike on weekends. Dutwara moto muri weekend. Fly, kuguruka. The birds fly in the sky. Inyoni ziri kuguruka mu kirere. Listen, kumva. She listen to music on her headphone. Ari kumva umuziki muri ekuteri. Drove, gutwara. He drives to work every day. Atwara agiye ku kazi buri munsi. Wash, koza. They wash the dishes together. Bogereza amadishi hamwe. Brush, kwiborosa. We brush our teeth twice a day. Twoza amenyo kabiri ku munsi. Clean, gusukura. He clean his room on Saturday. Asukura muri iki cyumba kuwa gatandatu. Sing, kuririmba. We sing song in the car. Turirimba indirimbo mu modoka. Play, gukina. They play soccer after school. Bakina umupira nyuma yo kuva ku ishuri. Study, kwiga. I need to study for my exam. Nkeneye kwiga kubera ikizame. Cook, guteka. She cooks dinner every evening. Ateka amafunguro y'umugoroba buri mugoroba. Sleep, gusinzira. She sleeps well at night. Asinzira neza nijoro. Read, gusoma. I like to read books before bed. Nkunda gusoma igitabo mbere yo kujya kuryama. Write, kwandika. He write notes in class. Yandika noti mu ishuri. Talk, kuvugana. They talk on the phone often. Ari kuvugira kuri phone nanone. Drink, kunywa. He drinks water after exercising. Ari kunywa amazi nyuma yo kuva mu myitozo. Eat, kurya. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Ndya ibiryo bya mu gitondo saa moya. Dance, kubyina. We love to dance at parties. Dukunda kubyinira. Jump, gusimbuka. The kids jump on the trampoline. Abana bari gusimbuka kuri trampoline. Walk, kugenda n'amaguru. I walk to work every morning. Nkunda kugenda n'amaguru ngiye mu kazi buri gitondo. Run, kwiruka. She runs in the park the exercise. Yiruka muri pariki ari mu myitozo. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more English learning stories. See you next time. Ntiwibagirwe gukora subscribe, like kuri iyi video kugira ngo urusheho kwiga icyongereza n'inkuru. Reka tubonane ku yindi video ikindi gihe. Thank you for watching this video. I love you. God bless you. If you want to learn English, listen this video.